Hey everyone, hope everyone is having a great and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you how this little investment that I invested just a little teeny tiny money on is continuously growing. And as you see in here, the total that I earned is $3,020. This is US dollars, by the way. So if you are living in a very poor country, third world country, imagine if you're getting US dollars sent to your bank account every single month, right? So, and I'm planning to put more time and effort into this business model, because at the moment I have another business model that I'm focusing on, which is YouTube automation. But once I sell those all my channels, I'll be focusing more time into this and to grow this to 10, 20, 30,000 commissions. Like this is only, I started this not so long ago. I started this in about 5th of April, but you see, continuously I started getting huge commissions coming to my bank account. Like, it's awesome how the system is working, and just by putting a little bit of time I was able to generate this income. And the system that I actually used and what actually helped me to generate this income was all-in-one business model. It allowed me to put a little bit of my spare time. At the moment I'm just putting in about half an hour to 45 minutes a day, but imagine if I put more time into it, the things that I'll be doing with this amazing system. So this is affiliate marketing, but most of the time affiliate marketing, people normally talk about like high ticket affiliate marketing, and with those business model, you cannot actually get predictable revenue coming to your bank account every single month. Like, you might be able to sell one product and next month you don't know if you're gonna get any sale or not. Whereas with this one, you're going to start getting recurring commissions month after month coming to your bank account, right? So it's like really amazing how the system works and everything. And just one sale, you can see, can turn into $74,800 per year, right? Which is like unheard of. The reason for that is because you start to get recurring commission month after month. So the system is allowing you to do that. And with all this, at the moment I'm just utilizing all the free methods that's taught in the training. But once I'm moving slowly towards only doing email, just doing solo ads. So I'll be sending traffic to my opt-in page, right? And once someone opts into my opt-in page, my funnel, the email actually gets stored into my autoresponder, and on my autoresponder, that's when I can start marketing to those people, right? So which is amazing, because with that, it won't take that much of my time. I can still be living just more quality time I'll be spending with my kids, with my family, and be able to travel the world and be able to do the things that I love to do while the system is doing most of the heavy lifting. Solo ads is like really good. Also, I leave a link in this video and below this video, where you can see all the bonus that you're gonna get once you join my team and once you join the system with me. And I'll be able to help you to set up the entire things for you, and I'll actually show you what are the things that I'm doing on a daily basis that's allowing me to earn this income, right? So most of the time people are earning like very little money just to do something, right? Whereas with this one, the era that we're living in now, the system is mainly doing all the effort and everything for you. All the system is doing all the hard work for you, right? So which is amazing, and I believe anyone can get success with this amazing system. So if you want to know more about how I'm actually able to generate all this income and the system, I'll leave a link in the description. You can go and click on it and also at the same time you want to connect with me, so that way I can help you and just to guide you to how you can actually start this amazing business and also the amazing system that we have here now. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you all. Everyone, hope everyone is having a great and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev.